mylabody YouTube channel. My name is Maria Colton. I would like to share with you today the recipe for heavy metal detox smoothie.
Only the best for your body and health. Welcome to mylabody kitchen.
So you may just ask, like, why do I need to drink heavy metal detox smoothie? Will it help me? Yes, it will. All the ingredients that we have here helps your body to detoxify, to pull out all the heavy metals that you have. Aluminium, mercury, cadmium, a lot of poisonous that are hurting our body from the inside, not letting us to be healthy, positive, fit, tight, enjoy our life in the healthiest way ever. If you have different kind of symptoms, whatever you feel is like disturbing you, this smoothie will help. Not right away. For some people it can be like a couple of days or a week or a month. It depends on how many heavy metals do you have in your own body. From the vaccines, pants, from the food, from the air, kitchen, whatever it is. We can't hide from them. But what we can do, we can help them to move out. If you have healthy body, you're feeling good, you don't have any symptoms, I mean, like, you are just waking up, living your best life, your digestive system is working excellent, your body will be looking amazing. If you have the right nutrition, if you have some exercises in your life, like walking, running, dancing, hiking, whatever you want. And it doesn't need to be like a tons of hours per day. Just have your best nutrition, I mean, like, very useful ingredients in each meal. This one, for example, it's amazing breakfast. You cannot even do the smoothie. You can like cut everything into the bowl and just like eat it with a spoon, or you can make like a acai bowl by using heavy metal detox smoothie. You can go from everywhere and just have some fun with this recipe. My point is, think more about to stay healthy, to eat healthy, and your body will be looking healthy, fit, and tight. Let's do the smoothie. Boom. So for the heavy metal detox smoothie, you will need 2 cups of wild blueberries. Make sure that you're using only the wild berries, not the other ones, because the wild ones, they have the maximum of the nutritions. The next is Hawaiian spirulina. Make sure that you have the Hawaiian one, the organic one, the raw one. Make sure that you have a good product. Next one is barley grass juice powder. Amazing powder, like it does magic. You can add it to any other smoothies you have, but this is one of the key ingredients for the heavy metal detox smoothie. Next ingredient, dulse. The red one, you can take it in flakes or you can have it grounded, whatever you like. Why we need the dulse? Because this is the magic from the ocean. Okay, next ingredients, 2 bananas. Make sure that they are not green, that they are ready to go. Next, we will need the juice from 1 big orange, or today I have 2 medium oranges. Make sure that you are making the juice from them. The very almost last ingredient is cilantro. Make sure that you're using only the organic one to avoid having like pesticides from, like farm raised. The very last ingredient is just water. You can have like a cup of water. You can add more water if you like your smoothie to be more liquid. So let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, water 8. Let's do the smoothie. Boom.
2 bananas, 2 cups of wild blueberries, 1 tablespoon of dulse, teaspoon of spirulina, teaspoon of barley grass juice powder, bunch of cilantro, fresh juice of 1 orange, and 1 cup of water. Blend it all together.
So this is the result. 32 ounces of heavy metal detox smoothie. Boom! I offer this for breakfast, or you can have it for lunch or dinner, but please have it. So don't forget to put the thumbs up if you like this video, put your comment, what do you want to see in the next videos. Don't forget that we have a lot of online workouts on our mylabody YouTube channel. Subscribe, stay tuned for new videos to come. Thank you so much. Bye!